We are live.
That's not loud.
It's Tuesday, everyone. Good afternoon. What time is it now?
I don't know.
So it's
11:46 a.m.
yes. So for those who don't know us yet, so I'm the person behind my page. My name is Roselle, and this is my son.
My name is Kirsten.
And we are both business owners. So hope everyone is doing well. It's a windy day today here, and it was raining earlier.
A drizzle,
A
not
drizzle.
proper.
Yes, it's a drizzle, but I think it's overnight. It's raining. That's why the road is wet. So we are here in the small park. As you can see, so that one is a football field, is it?
Yes.
Football field. And then,
Two.
yeah, I think there's two football field in there.
Which is one of the.
So, and that way is my workplace before. So guys, we just decided to walk because it's a breezy day. Breezy day.
What? It's cloudy.
It's
It's about to rain again.
so yeah, it is. We decided to go out for the fresh air and for our daily routine, our regular routine to walk. So, well, today is our day.
78.
Yay! It's
The 90-day challenge.
12 more days before we finish our 90-day challenge. Nearly there. Yeah, so it's our 78th day, and today it's quite
Noisy.
noisy, guys. So that's why
Construction.
there's construction around us. So we're just going to move farther. Is it allowed?
People walk through the.
So guys, we are just going through this field. So you can hear us okay because it's quite noisy.
The public.
So those we have some football club,
There's a tanning station,
tanning station,
football club, and
there's a gym. I think there's
it's a
gym.
famous gym called
Fam-
Westside.
Yes, on the other side.
It's like
So guys,
€50 a month.
the topic for today is
We're here to invite you for future events.
yes.
Like our Q&A next week, I think.
Yes, guys. So we really want to share with you guys this life-changing opportunity. So we are inviting you for a question and answer portion on our next, I think it's next week,
Yeah,
Q&A. We will send you the specific date so you can prepare your questions about this business if you have any. And also, we also have it's also next week. We have a business an interview with our business partners. It's 4 days.
One on each day.
June 13 to June 16, one on each day. And we are going to interview different people from around the world. So guys, if you are able to join us,
we would appreciate it.
yes, that's true. So you will be inspired by the success stories of the business owners around the world. So they're close. So yeah, So I think that's all for today, guys. We just want to inform you about,
Quick invite.
yeah.
Also, there's a webinar every Tuesday.
Yes, it's
And
Tuesday today. Webinar days. Tuesday and Thursday at 5 p.m. MST. You can Google your time zone, whoever is watching us right now, or for those who are going to watch the replay. Yes, Google your time zone so you can watch the live one. But if you're not able to watch the live, you can also watch the replay, and link will be sent on your email. And if it's not on your inbox, maybe you can try checking your junk and spam folder so you can
Get more information.
on our website. On my link, www.roselampilocchio.com, and my son's link,
www.kirstenampilocchio.com.
and yes, provide your name and email address so we can send you more information and send you the link to watch the live one. Okay, guys, do you have anything else?
No, I don't think so.
So yeah, hopefully we'll see you next week for the business interview and for the question and answer portion. Bye, guys. Have a lovely day ahead. Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Bye.